What needs to be done when the red clean light comes on the humidifier? Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. Since we've been sheltering at home these past few months, our skin and nose have noticed the air at home is quite dry. Our skins are dry and the kids are having bleeding nose more often, so we started to use a humidifier regularly. After a few weeks of use, the red clean light on our HoMedics humidifier came on. In today's video, I'll share how to clean this humidifier and get rid of this clean red light. As I look into it, I was surprised to learn that there are things I need to do every day and every week to keep the humidifier running well and clean for my family's health. If it's not clean, it can actually make my air worse instead with possible bacteria contaminations and mineral deposits. There are a couple of simple things to do every day. Remember to turn off the power and unplug the unit from the outlet before cleaning. First, you want to empty the tanks. You want to rinse the tanks and the caps before refilling. Second, you want to empty and rinse the ultrasonic membranes and the reservoir. More importantly, every week, to remove any scale or buildup, use a 50-50 mixture of white vinegar and lukewarm water to clean the insides of the tanks. I've been using a big bottle of white vinegar I got from Amazon. I'll put a link below if you're interested. After cleaning, just give the tank a good rinse. It'd be great if the tank opening is a little bit bigger, so it's easier to reach inside and clean if needed. Now the most important part to clean, the ultrasonic membrane or the diaphragm. The membrane is accessible in the back of this humidifier, behind a cover. This is the transducer plate cover. Let me zoom in for a better look. First, you want to remove this transducer plate cover. You can see the ultrasonic membrane in there, and it's a little bit dirty. Let me dump out the water in there. Now pour the same 50-50 mixture of white vinegar and water onto the surface of that ultrasonic membrane. Let it soak for about 5 minutes for the solution to loosen up the buildup. Then brush clean with a soft Bristol brush or a Q-tip, which is what I usually use. You may not be able to see it well on camera, but there are loose particles being brushed off the membrane. After brushing, just dump out the solution. Rinse it well with water. Remember to put the transducer plate back. A couple of things to note. Be careful not to touch the ultrasonic membrane inside with your fingers, since the natural oil in the skin can damage the membrane. Also, do not submerge the entire base in water or any liquid. And finally, after you plug the unit back in, you can now clear the red clean light by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. Voila! That's it! You are good to go for another week. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. We like this particular humidifier more than others. I will do a quick video on why next. If you also have a good humidifier, please let me know in the comments section below. I'm looking for another one, so I don't need to keep on moving this one between rooms. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.